Hi guys, so we have Judith here to do the role play for real estate wholesaler. This is a cold calling scenario that we're doing. So for someone looking to get a lead, a homeowner who might be interested in getting a cash offer for the property.
Okay.
I'm ready when you are.
Okay, ring ring.
Hello.
Hello, I'm looking for Jane Smith. And I know this call is out of the blue, right? But I was calling about a property I believe you own at 123 Main Street. I just wanted to see if you would consider getting a cash offer for your property there.
Not sure because I'm not selling it, but do you guys have an idea about how much you will be offering for my property?
That's a very good question, actually, but we usually base it on the condition of the property. Now, if you have some time, if I can ask you if you have done any upgrades on it for the last 5 years.
I haven't done a lot. Actually, it needs a few repairs because when I bought it, it was like a kind of a project home, and I thought I was financially ready to, to do the project and have the repairs, but still a lot of things haven't been improved. Like it needs some painting outside and inside. It needs a new carpet, and
Okay.
the kitchen has to be updated, stuff like that.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. No worries. So, a little bit of like, just cosmetic stuff, right?
Yeah, some cosmetic stuff.
Okay. Great. Great. And, I mean, did you have any ballpark figure as to how much you would want for the property?
I'm not sure. I know that my neighbor sold her property a month ago for 185.
185.
Yeah, but she has a lot of, like, her house is updated, and
Okay.
mine's a lot bigger than her. She only has
Okay.
2 bedrooms and a bath. Mine's a bigger, I have 3 and 2. So I'm
Okay.
thinking I could probably get the same amount considering the updates. I'm not sure. You're the expert. You tell me.
Definitely. To be honest, we haven't run our numbers just yet, but we are really interested in the neighborhood, and so we called in. So I just wanted to ask, is the property vacant, or are you guys living
I
in it?
live there. I planned to have it rented, but like I said, I was not able to finish the project because the pandemic, I got laid off and I didn't have the funds to finish it. So I ended up moving here instead of renting it out. So yeah,
Right.
it's not empty. But for the right offer, I can move right away.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. And lastly, I'm just curious. I mean, you're ought to like planning on renting it and renovating it and stuff, right? I mean, why are you considering selling now?
Because I don't want to do the repairs anymore. I plan to
Right.
move to another home that's just move-in ready. It's just really tiring. I'm a single mother, I have 3 kids. And in the beginning, I thought I can do it. Like I want to do the landlord stuff. But again, I was faced with financial difficulties. I still
Oh,
have some repairs that I need to do. And, kids are growing and I have to move to a much bigger place, which does not have or does not need repairs or any cosmetics
right.
inside and out. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. I bet that must be difficult, but definitely. But just so you know, since I actually work with the local investors, what we usually do is we buy as is property. So you don't really need to like put in another cent in the property. So we'll take care of that, and we usually take care of the closing costs and all that too. Okay. So it sounds like a great property and we're really interested. So what's going to happen now is I will be sending this to my purchase manager. So
Mhm.
we'll run our numbers. Okay. And then you should be receiving a call from my purchase manager directly within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. So is this the best phone number to contact you? Or
Yeah,
is
yeah.
there a best?
Is that like he's coming over? Sorry, I misunderstood.
The visitation on the property will be discussed to you by my purchase manager. He's just going to give you some numbers of the offer and all that stuff.
Okay, sounds
Yeah.
good. Okay, I look
Okay.
forward to the call.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much for your time, Jane. Appreciate it. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
All right, that's great. Seems that you've been doing it. You told me that you don't know the script, but here you
No,
are.
at the back of my mind, boss. Probably it's just there. I just need like a refresher, like a total refresher. But I know the flow
Mhm. And how many years in total you've been in real estate? Like
with
cold
you
calling?
guys, actually. With real estate, I've been with Telecrew. I don't know, like 2 years, 3 years. I'm not sure anymore.
2019.
Yeah, 19.
19.
Yep.
3 years. So
Yeah.
since then you've been doing real estate cold calling. I believe even before you were, right?
Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's just basic kind of telemarketing actually, but with real estate industries too.
Perfect. Okay. Great. Good luck on your interview, Judy. And I'm hoping that you will be hired. Okay. I'm just gonna pause the recording now. All right. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna pause it.